5 funniest animal moments. Wait till you see the last one, ready to party. But before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe.
No. Nikki, no, don't eat it, no.
Bro. But are you really?
Wow, they feel so weird.
Yeah, because he's
You can
not.
tell you're not dead, boy, because you're curling your tail.
That's what they do.
This is the only thing warm about him.
Hey. Yep. You just wiggled your mouth. You're good.
Do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba.